English step by step, be used to, get used to, step 4. In this video, you'll find the answers to a practice exercise in the step 3 video, so make sure you watch that one first. And of course, you can watch the step 1, 2 and 3 video for explanations and examples of be used to and get used to. So let's look at these sentences. Situation number 1, I live on a desert island. I'm getting used to, well, in this case, we're talking about the sea, the sound of the sea. I'm getting used to the sound of the sea. I can't get used to, well, in this case, maybe the solitude. I can't get used to the solitude. Situation number 2, he's been in prison for 3 years. He's used to, well, if you're in prison, you're in a locked room. So, he's used to being in a locked room. He hasn't got used to. Now, in this situation, we would have to say something like feeling trapped. He hasn't got used to feeling trapped. Now, situation number 3, they work on a spaceship. They're getting used to, well, in this case, floating, because there's no gravity. They're getting used to floating. They've already got used to, well, in this case, eating processed food. Situation number 4, they are going to live in Australia. They will have to get used to, well, the heat, I think, in many parts of Australia. They will have to get used to the heat. Situation number 2, they will probably get used to the strong accent of the people there. So, there you have possible answers to finish these sentences. And of course, you can think of your own answers, your own ways of finishing these sentences. So that brings us to the end of this step 4 video on be used to and get used to. If you like the content of this video and you'd like to see more exercises like this, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.